Have you ever heard of something called a death cult?
ובראש שלי עולה כל הזמן המשפט הזה של עדיף חייל הרוג מאשר חייל חטוף.
That is an Israeli hostage who was kidnapped by Hamas, talking about how she was afraid that the Israelis were going to kill her. For Israel, a dead soldier is better than a kidnapped one. It's their own people saying it.
ואני אומרת, אוקיי, גם אם עכשיו מנסים לחטוף אותי, הולכים להפציץ אותנו. כי כאילו, נועל חניבעל, מפציצים כל חייל אני תצפיתנית שאני יודעת שזה מה שעושים באותו רגע.
She said, I'm being kidnapped right now, but I know I'm going to be bombed because that's what we are trained to do. The IDF is trained to kill its own people if they are being kidnapped. Because that's how a death cult operates. It will kill its own people rather than give up anything of value.
כאילו, אנחנו אמורות לתת ההנחיות.